Hi guys, today I will be unboxing my 2019 Louis Vuitton New Wave heart bag. So firstly, before you actually get into the bag, this is just the standard LV box, so it'll come in an orange bright box. And then once you begin to open the box, these are just a couple of the things that you'll see. Okay, so once I've opened the box, the first thing that you'll see is just the Louis Vuitton receipt holder. It comes in this orange card, as so. The price of this bag is £1,190. Secondly, onto the more exciting part, you'll see the bag. It just comes in this like off-whitish, could I say, cream dust bag. And then finally, a little cute card, and this just contains just details and descriptions of the bag, and it'll say New Wave. So this is the most exciting part that you guys have all been waiting for, the bag itself. So just a bit of background about this bag. So it was crafted from quilted calf leather, and its compact design, it can be carried in so many ways, which I'll show you guys later on. So you can carry it by its top handle, one at the waist as like a bum bag, and across the body. Okay, so moving on to the details of the bag, the first thing that you'll see is just the gold finish Louis Vuitton sign, and as you can see from the handle, the colourful Louis and then Vuitton on the other side just adds that special touch to the bag, and I do believe that this bag is limited edition. So once you zip to unzip the bag, the first thing that you'll see is just the belt. So I have turned my flash on just so you guys can see the details of the inside of the bag. So at the back of this bag you can see just the inside pocket, and then this is how deep the bag is. Like, I know guys, this bag is a small bag, but this bag is so deceiving in the fact that I can fit everything inside it. So yeah, it's just, you know, that's how deep it is, so you guys can get a better view of what it looks like. Moving on, this is the back of the bag, and it just has a standard logo, and as you can see there is a slot here where you can put the strap that I showed you guys earlier on. So now I will show you guys just how to put this strap on. So this is what the strap looks like. It comes with an adjustable strap with a few holes in, and also these keys to clip them on. I'll just quickly show you guys how to put these on. So as you can see, it has an LV logo on. Sorry guys about my nails, I need them doing. So you just get this little hole, pop it through as so. So guys, this brings my unboxing to an end, and I'll do some more upcoming videos of my latest Dior jewellery collection that I've still got to do, and any more unboxings of bags that I purchased. Please leave any comments down below if you have any inquiries or questions about this bag, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys, bye! I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys!